Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to LifeTalk English. Today's conversation is all about talking about your job and daily work. You'll learn how to describe your work routine, share what you do, and ask others about their jobs, all in natural American English. Stick around till the end. We've got a quick recap to help you sound more confident at work and in conversations.
Hey, good morning, Sam. How's it going?
Morning, Emma. Not too bad. Just grabbing some coffee before work. You?
Same here. Gotta have caffeine to survive the office, right?
Totally. So, what's your morning routine like before you head to work?
Well, I wake up around 6:30, go for a quick jog, then make breakfast.
Wow, you actually run in the morning? That's impressive.
Only when I'm not too lazy. What about you?
I usually just hit snooze like 3 times, then rush out the door.
Classic. What time do you start work?
9 sharp, but I try to log in around 8:30 to catch up on emails.
That's smart. What do you do again? Marketing, right?
Yep, I'm a digital marketing specialist. I handle social media campaigns.
Nice. That sounds creative. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, for the most part. It's fast-paced, but I like coming up with ideas.
That's cool. I work in customer support, so it's a bit different.
Oh, really? So what's a typical day like for you?
Well, I start by checking tickets from overnight customers.
Sounds busy already.
It can be. Then I answer emails, chat messages, and sometimes calls.
Do you talk to customers from different countries?
Yeah, mostly from the US and Canada. It helps me practice English, actually.
That's awesome. So do you work from home or in the office?
Mostly from home, but I go to the office twice a week.
Same here. I kind of miss the office vibe, though.
Yeah, me too. Working from home can get lonely sometimes.
For sure. But hey, at least you save time on commuting.
True. I used to spend an hour in traffic every morning.
Ugh, same here. I don't miss that part at all.
What's your favorite part of your job?
I'd say brainstorming new ad ideas with my team. You?
Helping people solve problems. It feels good when they thank you.
That's really nice. Customer support needs patience.
Oh, definitely. Some customers test my limits.
I bet. So, how long have you been doing that job?
About 3 years now. How about you?
I joined my company 2 years ago. Time flies.
It really does. Do you plan to stay there long term?
Maybe. I like it. But I'm also thinking about starting my own agency one day.
Wow, that's ambitious. What kind of agency?
A creative marketing agency, helping small businesses grow online.
That sounds amazing. You'd be great at that.
Thanks. I hope so. What about you? Any future plans?
I'm actually thinking of moving into training or coaching.
Oh, like teaching customer service skills?
Exactly. I love helping people, so it feels like a good fit.
That's a solid plan. You've got the right personality for it.
Aw, thanks. By the way, do you guys have a big team?
Yeah, around 15 people. We're all remote, though.
That's nice. Our team's smaller, just 7 of us. Do you all stay in touch often?
We have a daily stand-up meeting on Zoom every morning.
Oh, yeah, we do that too. Sometimes it turns into a coffee chat.
Same here. It's half work, half random life talk.
Those are the best kinds of meetings.
Totally. Do you usually work late?
Depends on the week. Deadlines can be brutal sometimes.
I hear that. Last Friday I worked till almost midnight.
Ugh, ouch. Hope you got some rest after that.
Yeah, I slept in all Saturday. How about your weekends?
I try not to think about work at all. I go hiking or hang with friends.
That's healthy. I usually watch movies or cook something new.
Oh, nice. What do you like to cook?
Mostly pasta or tacos. Easy stuff after a long week.
Tacos. Now you're talking.
Yeah, everyone loves tacos.
Speaking of food, does your company have lunch breaks together?
Sometimes on Fridays we have a virtual lunch hangout.
That's fun. We used to do that too, Pizza Fridays.
Oh man, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, it was. So, do you feel like your job's stressful?
Sometimes, but I've learned to manage it better.
How do you deal with stress?
I usually take short breaks or listen to music.
That helps. I do the same, or take a quick walk outside.
Fresh air really clears your head.
Totally. You know what's funny? Even though we complain about work, we'd be bored without it.
So true. I'd probably go crazy sitting at home all day.
Same here. At least work gives life some structure.
Exactly. Plus, it feels good to earn your own money.
Amen to that. Payday makes everything worth it.
For sure. So, are you working on anything exciting this week?
Yeah, launching a new ad campaign for a tech startup.
Sounds interesting. Tight deadline?
Always. But it's going pretty smoothly so far.
Nice. I'm working on updating our support guide.
Oh, cool. That must take a lot of detail work.
Yeah, it's kind of tedious, but it helps the new hires a lot.
That's great. You sound like the team's go-to person.
Maybe. I just like keeping things organized.
That's a solid skill to have.
Thanks. By the way, how's your boss?
He's cool, pretty laid back as long as we get stuff done.
Lucky you. Mine's nice, but super detail-oriented.
Oh man, that can be stressful.
Yeah, but I've learned how to handle it. Communication is key.
Couldn't agree more. Clear updates save a ton of trouble.
Exactly. Anyway, we should grab coffee sometime after work.
I'm down for that. I know a great cafe near the park.
Perfect. Maybe Friday afternoon?
Sounds good. I'll text you the address.
Awesome. It's a plan then.
Great. Now let's survive another workday. Haha.
Deal. Let's get to it.
Nice work, everyone. You just practiced a full conversation about talking about your job and daily work. Let's quickly go over what you learned today. Use natural questions like, "What's your day like?" or "Do you enjoy your job?" to keep a conversation flowing. Add casual phrases like, "Sounds good," "No worries," or "That's cool," to sound friendly. Practice using contractions like I'm, I've, it's, and you're. That's how native speakers talk naturally. Show emotion. Laugh, pause, or react. It makes your English sound alive. Keep shadowing these dialogues to improve your fluency and confidence. Keep watching LifeTalk English for more real-life conversations. And don't forget to speak along next time.